Saturday today. My friend Braithen, he's playing football in Cairns, so I think all the boys are going to get together and we're going to watch him play footy. Go support your mates, alright guys? Come on. Whoop. Whoop. Bloody hell, do you know how to iron your clothes, Jackson? No, I don't, alright? Stop asking. Got my little bag. I promise those clothes are clean, I just haven't folded them yet, alright? Stop judging me. Let's go. Ah, fuck, I just hit the wall. Let's go. Oh, there he is, number 13. What a hero. What a hero, eh? Oi, Braithen! I just had the biggest voice crack, eh? Fucking hell, look at this guy. Jesus Christ, they're getting fucking hammered, mate. Oi, Braithen! I would, yes. I would piss next to someone. There he is, mate. There he is. The champ, the king. You reckon? Yeah. Summers is actual cat piss.
Yeah, didn't even get a goal.
Joe, what have we got to say about that, mate?
Just no comment, man. This is just bullshit.
What is this? What is
You're lucky I didn't land one. When you lose
so this is Braithen.
Oh, come on, get a room, eh?
I could play better than you.
Oh, fuck off. Alright. I just watched that old bloke grab his chest like he was having a heart attack when he realised he forgot his mask. Oh, fuck!
I'm not happy about that, eh?
Look at the bonnet! I can't believe he just did that, eh?
Yes, good as new.
Holy! Oh, fucking... This is good. Right now we're heading home and we're going to go to a party tonight. Look at the vibes right now. Hello, goodbye.
Wait, watch my sonnies, you fuckhead.
Good to see you too, Joe. I've just initiated the white girl cruiser vibes. Yes, bitch! You see him look over. Bye! Imagine Hamish just backs into a car right now.
I'm Rafky.
What did he do, a spin?
Yeah, I'm fucking going somewhere.
Fuck, that's so mean. Shit.
Did I get
Millie,
it?
what are we here to do? What are we here to do tonight?
Fucking get maggots!
No, what's the party for? You gotta say
It's
like...
my birthday, it's my 21st. I can finally fucking go legal anywhere without being scared.
You're my hero,
Finally.
Millie, if you're watching this, sorry I didn't vlog your party. I just want to have fun, okay? Alright, my friend Max has pulled up. I'm gonna try and get him with that tape thing. Third time I've tried this.
What are you doing? Oh yeah, funny, eh?
He's caught me both times, so hopefully this time we can get him. Oh, Harley Daddy's gonna see that coming. He's here, he's here.
Oi, ball bags. Yeah, try and get me again, eh?
Fuck!
Helmet. That's the third time. You think you're gonna get me, eh?
Get fucked.
Whoa!
Wow.
I just went out and I bought something lit. Check it out, it's a green screen. This is mainly for like my product videos. Like I'll have a product on the table and then we'll have the green screen in the background and then I can key it out to whatever I want. Oh, come on. All right, so I'm just taking you guys on a little bit of a behind the scenes of, I'm filming a commercial for this beer, Goat. This isn't paid for by Goat, obviously. Just doing it for fun. Gonna put the beer dead center. I have the 6-pack behind it. And then I've got my new camera, my good camera, on a towel. We've got a light here, we've got a light up there, and then we've got another light shining up, lighting the green screen. That was the one. I knew it, that's the one. Come and check out the shot we got. That's the shot. We got the beer on the drill and it's blue tacked on there. We're gonna hit it up with a bit of this spray, make it look nice and cold. And I am just going to spin the bottle. That's what she said. I think that was the one. Okay. Not gonna bore you guys with the full behind the scenes video. I'm just gonna show you the final video. It's on my Instagram right now, so go follow my Instagram to see this video and more like it in the future. I had to change the music for this video because it'll get copyrighted, so go and check out the one on Instagram for the full experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
I'm celebrating my liberation. Max! Hey!